from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, so we have the Maserati in the shop today. As you know from our previous videos, we did the complete check. We hope that it was the alarm that was still set on the car, but unfortunately that's not the case. The case is that the starter has gone bad, and that happens a lot with these Maseratis. So it's time to disassemble the complete inlet of the car. So we better get started now. Okay guys, so we finally finished with taking the manifold off. As you can see, there were some pretty guys, some engineers at Maserati, who thought it would be fun to place the starter engine beneath the manifold in the V of the V8, and then also put all the cooling lines above it. And then they also mentioned at some dealerships that the starter motor breaks down a lot because of the heat, because you cannot get rid of the heat. So fun guys. Okay guys, so we finally found the starter motor. It was beneath the inlet manifold and also underneath the whole cooling system compartment. But we finally found it, so now it's just unbolt it and then check what's wrong with it. Guys, oh, finally the holy grail. I think after 1 hour of surgery it's finally here. Okay guys, just a quick check to check if your starter motor is really broken. What you want to do is just get some jumper cables, plug it to the correct colors, to the minus and the plus. Then what you want to do is find some ground on the starter guys, and then just apply the positive current on the positive on the starter, and then it should spin around actually like it will do in the car. But you can see that this is a familiar noise, that I think the brushes are worn out or something is stuck inside. So we're going to bring this to a rebuilding company to get it completely rebuilt. and hopefully install it soon. Okay guys, I just got back from my work and my dad notified me that there's a package for me. So let's check it out. Woo! What could this be? What could this be? I think it has something to do with the Maserati. So let me check. Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. What's this? Auto Elektra Amersfoort. For any guys who are located in the Netherlands and guys who need to rebuild their start motor or their alternator, those guys are really the place to go. Look at this, guys. They refurbished the complete starter motor of our Maserati. Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. But what really happened inside was the magnetos, they just fell out of the housing and blocked the complete assembly, so the starter couldn't turn anymore. What they did is completely rebuild it from the inside, put new magnets in it, complete new housing, and also check the windings and the brushes. So this starter motor is ready. So see you guys back in the garage. Okay guys, so we made it out to the garage, but the first thing that we need to do is not install the starter, but we need to do some cleaning first, guys, because inside the V of the V8 it's completely messy with a lot of coolant that we need to clean first. Okay guys, so the engine is all cleaned up, so now it's time to finally assemble the starter. Okay guys, so the start motor is finally assembled. All that's left to do is just hook the wiring up to the starter. Then of course put back all the cooling hoses, and then as last the inlet manifold. And then hopefully she will fire up. Okay guys, so also the wiring is connected. So now it's time to put in the cooling lines with the hoses. I don't know if you all can remember it. Okay guys, we have some bad news. We can remove the complete cooling system again because it wasn't repaired good. The complete helicoil came off because that was a repair and it wasn't done right. So yeah, let's remove the cooling system again. guys, we're going to try it for a second time. Okay guys, so the main cooling divider is on the engine block now. All we need to do now is just connect all the hoses again, and then it's time to put the intake manifold on and then try to fire it up. So stay with us. Okay guys, so after a few hours of mechanicking, the new start motor is finally in. She has been on the charger for the whole time that we did the job of putting the start motor back. So fingers crossed, hopefully she fires up right away. The first time! Woo! Okay guys, that's it for today. She fires up, but we need to check the coolant, we need to check the oil and lots of other things. But she's running.
Me down some.